Hi guys, welcome to the channel Tamil Tradition to Marathi. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Today's special is vanilla ice cream. The preparation for ice cream is very simple and easy. It takes time only for the freezing. We are not going to make this with the condensed milk or fresh cream. We are going to use only the things which are available for you in this lockdown period. So let's start guys. I have taken a half liter of milk, a full cream milk, and just warm it up. Don't heat it or boil it, just warm it. Take any non-flavor flour like corn flour, maida or rice flour. I am taking a 3 teaspoons of corn flour here. Mix it well to avoid the lumps in the water and add the corn flour water into the warm milk. After adding the corn flour, the milk will become little bit thicker. So stir it well to avoid the stickage at the bottom. So for half liter of milk, I am taking a half cup of sugar here. See, the milk become little bit thicker than the before. The next is vanilla essence. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla essence for this. If you noticed well, it is easy to remember this recipe. Everything is in half liter of milk, half cup of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So at the last, allow it to boil for 3 minutes, but stir it well. We don't want any stickage at the bottom. Off the stove and let it cool down to the room temperature. If you want to add the dry nuts, you can add it. I am available with only cashews, so just crush it and add a little bit to the milk. Now add this cooled milk to the mixer grinder and grind it well until it forms a little bit foamy on the top. Now transfer this to a freezer safe plastic container and keep it in the freezer for 2 hours. Let's open and see after 2 hours. See the foamy texture. This is what we get in the Amul ice cream covers, right? Okay, let's grind it again in the mixer grinder. To get the exact texture of the ice cream, grind it like this. Refrigerate for 2 hours, then grind it. Refrigerate for again 2 hours, then grind it. Repeat this for at least 3 to 4 times. Finally refrigerate it overnight or 8 hours in the freezer at the high mode. The next day morning, you'll get the perfect ice cream texture like this. As it is made at home and made only with milk and some goodness of nuts, you can give this to your kids also. I'm just topping up with some cashews. If you're available with choco chips or some colorful things, you can top it up. So the only work you have to do for this ice cream is grinding once in 2 hours. That's the big task. But instead of that, you can make this at home and give to your kids and make them enthu in this lockdown. Try the simple vanilla ice cream at your home and tell me your comments in your comment section. And thank you so much guys for watching the video. And do subscribe to my channel to never miss any updates. Click on the bell icon and support me by sharing to your friends and family guys. Thank you so much.